Hey, what is up guys? So I wanted to do a quick video on this cheap hour meter that I got off of Amazon. I ordered 3 of these for my mowers. I'm an independent lawn service person, so I finished kind of early today, so I was going to install these. But as far as maintenance schedule, they run on different times. I use this machine more sometimes, I use this one more, and I have a third one that's a Honda 21-inch push mower. So I basically just wanted to get an hour meter for my maintenance schedule. Since I do run these for commercial purposes, it's supposed to be every 50 hours you change them out, like the oil and stuff like that. I'm going to do mine every 25 hours just because I'm in Texas, the heat. I know it's a lot more taxing on these machines than if you were just using it for standard, residential lawn care, just for your own personal yard. Well, first off, the kit is really easy. It comes with just a couple things. It comes with your hour meter, the 2 screws if you want to screw them into your device. You can use it for mowers, generators, whatever you want to use it for. Your cable, and then a couple zip ties. So I have one out here. This is the front and the back. Pretty simple setup. Again, your screws are going here. I'm going to screw this one in and see how it looks. This is the cable. They give you a pretty decent sized cable depending where you want to mount it, and then the zip tie so that you can put it around your spark plug cable. And it just depends. If you're going to double side tape this, you can. I have some industrial strength 3M double sided tape, but I'm going to screw mine in just because I want to. But if you're not, you just skip that step and put that on here, and then put that cable in here, and then you're going to wrap the other end around your spark plug. So since I'm screwing mine in, I'm just going to use one of these multi-purpose screwdrivers. This flathead is going to be the part that helps me put in the cable in here, and then I have a Phillips head that's going to help put in the screws. So I used my flathead to get that cable in there. As you can see, it's inside, and it's got 2 little like clips on here that kind of give it some grip, and this cable is in there pretty good. Like, I can pull this by hand and it's not pulling out. And then the other end's going to go around your spark plug cable. Okay, so it's wrapped around the wire for the spark plug. I just ran my cable through the bottom here. It comes out through here. I've already screwed in my meter. It's nice and tight in there, and this was the excess wire that I had left, so I'm just going to cut it right there at the end, and then we'll try it out. You need to install it, so whenever it's actually running, that little hourglass thing right there is going to start blinking, which means it's working. If it stops, then that means that it's not counting. So I'll turn it on, and that way you can see the hourglass go. I just mount it here on my 21-inch Honda. I just put it right in the front. The cable's right there, so I didn't want to deal with moving anything all the way around there. And then on this Toro, I put it right on the front as well. Spark plug is down there, so super easy access. Ideally, I wanted it on this side, but there's the muffler over here. Too much heat. I feel like it would melt the wire. And then to run it all through here, it's just a big hassle, so it went in the front. Well guys, thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions on the installation, please leave them down below. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and we'll come back with some more lawn videos. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.